All around us, the world is teeming with wonders, often hidden in plain sight. We walk upon a planet sculpted by immense forces over unimaginable spans of time. Every stone, every pebble tells a story of volcanic fury, patient sedimentation, and the slow dance of continents. These humble fragments of Earth's crust, dismissed as mere gravel, hold secrets of our planet's past and our own. From the dawn of our species, we have been intimately connected to these stones. They were our first tools, our first canvases, the foundation of civilization. Today, we'll rediscover 5 ordinary rocks you might find anywhere and reveal their extraordinary roles in our lives. It's a reminder that in nature's grand tapestry, nothing is truly worthless. Every piece has its place, its purpose, and its own unique story to tell. Quartz is the most abundant mineral in Earth's crust, found in countertops, sand and pebbles. Its unique structure lets it generate electricity when squeezed and vibrate at precise frequencies. That's why quartz powers watches, computers, and the devices we use every day. Quartz, nature's crystal heart, quietly shapes our modern world. Now let's turn to flint, a dark, waxy stone found in chalk and limestone. To the casual eye, it's unremarkable, but flint shaped the course of human history. Flint is a microcrystalline variety of quartz with a dense structure that gives it a unique property conchoidal fracture. When struck, it breaks with a curved, razor-sharp edge, sharper than a surgical scalpel. Early humans discovered this, creating the first tools, hand axes, blades, and arrowheads. For over 1 million years, flint tools remained largely unchanged, a testament to their effectiveness. Mastering flint knapping was a vital skill, passed down through generations. Flint allowed us to hunt, process food, and defend ourselves, fueling the development of our brains and societies. But flint's legacy goes beyond cutting edges. Striking flint against iron, pyrite, or later steel, produces sparks, giving us our first reliable method of creating fire. Fire transformed our lives: warmth, light, cooked food, and protection. The flint and steel became essential for survival, enabling us to inhabit new environments and gather around the hearth. Even after the Stone Age, flint was crucial in flintlock firearms, shaping the fate of battles and empires. Today, flint artifacts are treasured by archaeologists as links to our deep past, testaments to human skill and ingenuity. A flint arrowhead is not just a stone, it's a piece of art and a window into our ancestors' minds. So when you find a piece of flint, remember, it's the stone that gave us our first cutting edge, the spark that lit our first fire, and the tool that armed our ancestors for survival. Flint is a profound symbol of human ingenuity. It's a silent witness to the dawn of our species. The next time you see a dark stone in a field, consider its legacy. It may have shaped the very path of humanity. Flint, the stone that ignited human ingenuity. Its story is our story. Every sharp edge, every spark is a reminder of our journey. Flint's legacy endures in every tool and every fire. Now imagine finding a smooth greenish stone along a riverbed. It could be jade. Jade, revered for millennia in East Asia and Mesoamerica, is actually 2 minerals, nephrite and jadeite. Nephrite is tough, denser than steel, and was crafted into tools and ceremonial objects that endure for eternity. Jadeite is rarer, harder, and comes in vibrant colors, the most prized being the glowing green of imperial jade. In China, jade is the stone of heaven, symbolizing courage, wisdom, and purity, and believed to bridge the earthly and divine. Emperors were buried in jade suits, and its musical chime was thought to calm the spirit. Jade was given as a gift of respect, worn as a talisman, and valued above gold. Carving jade is an art requiring patience and skill, as it must be ground away with abrasives, a process that can take years. In ancient Mesoamerica, jade was more valuable than gold, symbolizing life, power, and divinity. It was used for death masks, offerings, and ceremonial objects central to their cosmology. Identifying jade is a challenge. It's dense, hard, and has a waxy luster, often mistaken for common stones. A true jade pebble feels heavy and rings when tapped. That unassuming green stone could be a fragment of a material that inspired empires and masterpieces. Jade's value is defined by culture, spirit and artistry. It reminds us that true worth is often hidden, waiting for recognition. The next time you find a green pebble, consider its story. It may be a piece of the stone of heaven. Jade, a bridge between the mundane and the divine. Its legend endures in every culture it has touched. Now, let's consider agate, a master of disguise. On the outside, it's a lumpy, unremarkable nodule, but inside lies a world of intricate patterns and colour. Agate is a variety of chalcedony forming in volcanic rocks as silica-rich water deposits microscopic quartz crystals layer by layer. Each layer records a moment in geological history, resulting in agate's signature bands, nature's own artwork. The diversity is staggering. Some agates have parallel bands, others swirl like fortifications, and some contain sparkling druzy pockets. No two agates are alike. Each is a unique work of natural art. Lace agate features delicate, twisting bands. Moss agate contains mineral inclusions that resemble miniature forests. Fire agate shimmers with iridescent colors like liquid fire beneath the surface. For centuries, humans have been captivated by agate's hidden beauty. Romans and Greeks used it for seals and ornaments, and European nobility collected them as treasures. The craft of cutting agate reveals its most spectacular patterns, a tradition that continues today. Agate hunting is a popular pastime, with enthusiasts searching for the telltale waxy luster and translucency. There's a profound sense of discovery in revealing a pattern locked away for millions of years. So, next time you see a lumpy stone, don't dismiss it. It may hold a secret gallery within. Agate is a testament to geology's patient artistry. True beauty is often hidden, waiting for a curious hand to reveal it. Agate teaches us that worth isn't always on the surface. Every stone is a potential masterpiece. Nature's hidden paintings are all around us. Our final stone is pyrite, known as fool's gold for its brassy yellow hue and metallic luster. Many hopeful miners have mistaken it for gold only to be disappointed. But pyrite is far from worthless. It's an iron sulfide mineral, hard and brittle, and when struck with steel it produces sparks, a property that inspired its name from the Greek pyr for fire. Pyrite often forms perfect geometric crystals, cubes, octahedrons and pyritohedrons, natural marvels prized by collectors. These crystals are objects of mathematical beauty, valued for their inherent structure, not for what they imitate. Pyrite was once a major source of sulfur, used to produce sulfuric acid, essential for fertilizers, batteries and more. Sometimes pyrite contains real gold trapped within, auriferous pyrite, making it valuable to experienced miners. Sophisticated techniques can extract this hidden gold, turning fool's gold into a true treasure. Pyrite also plays a role in environmental science, as its breakdown can cause acid mine drainage, a challenge for ecosystems. So while it may have fooled gold rush hopefuls, pyrite is a stone of paradox, a deceiver with hidden truths. It's a source of industrial chemicals, a natural sculpture, and a potential host for real gold. Pyrite teaches us to look beyond appearances and seek deeper value. The next time you see a glittering stone, remember, not all that glitters is gold, but every stone has a story. Pyrite, the deceptive sparkle with a wealth of secrets. Its value lies in what's beneath the surface. Sometimes the fool is the one who throws it away. Pyrite's lessons are as enduring as its shine. It's a reminder that nature's treasures are often more than they seem. Look closer, and you may find gold where you least expect it. Our journey through the world of common stones ends, but the discoveries don't have to. We've seen how quartz powers our technology, flint sparked our ingenuity, and jade became a vessel for belief. We've uncovered the hidden art of agate and the paradox of pyrite. Each stone tells a story of chemistry, time, and our evolving relationship with Earth. The ground beneath us is a library of stories, waiting to be noticed. Next time you walk outside, look down. You might be stepping over a fortune of knowledge, beauty, and connection to our planet's deep story. The greatest treasures are often hidden in plain sight, waiting for those who choose to wonder.